Welcome to Sunshine City, Taichung. When you first walk into Taichung train station, you not just see a lot of passengers, but also see the building that's full of history. Taichung train station was built at 1905 during the Japanese occupation, and it was built by late Renaissance style. This station is over 100 years, so when you walk into the station, it looks like walking to a time tunnel. Miyahara Eye Hospital is nearby the train station. Miyahara Eye Hospital was the biggest eye hospital during the Japanese occupation, and now it became a tourist attraction. Inside, they still keep the old hospital setting, but now they sell Taiwanese traditional desserts such as sun cake and pineapple cakes. The ice cream here is very popular. Every flavor has their own secret recipe, and the topping is also amazing. You must try it. Taichung is a city that's full of passion and warm hearts. We invite you to explore the city. Railway experience in Taiwan.